Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, sasagot tayo ng differential equation problem coming from the April 29 Electrical Engineering Boards. Pero before natin to sagutan, shoutout muna sa mga Lodi Cakes natin, kay John Dexter Subosa, kay Neil Patrick Acosta, kay Vincent Rodelfin, kay Arabel Kian Espeleta, kay April Rose, kay Jero Angub Salem, kay Marga Antoinette Bobadilla, kay Jomilu Tataw, kay Mark Daniel Mark Darrell Colliantes, kay Simon Alentaro, kay Future Engineer Z. Arceo, kay Art Serna, at kay Raul Lugay Papas Jr. And maraming salamat sa mga Lodi Cakes natin. Sobrang dami, di ba? Ibig sabihin lang yan, maraming sumusuporta sa channel natin and sa mga platforms na meron sa Sir IJ. And ingat kayo palagi mga Lodi Cakes and I hope you all the best. So ito yung problem natin. Find the differential equation whose general solution is y equals c1x or c sub 1x plus c sub 2 e raised to x. Okay, let us recall that in differential equations, the number of arbitrary constants will determine how many times will we differentiate so that we can obtain the differential equation of the given general solution. So kung titingnan natin yung equation natin, we have two arbitrary constants which are c1 and c sub 2. So that means that we are gonna differentiate twice. Okay guys, naintindihan kung ilan yung arbitrary constants, yun yung bilang ng times na magde-derivative tayo. So the first derivative is equal to, derivative ng x ay 1. So we have c1 or c sub 1 plus e raised to x. So yan yung derivative na hindi nagbabago. Sana all hindi nagbabago. Hindi, joke lang mga idol. Okay, so ito yung first derivative natin. And for the second derivative, kasi dalawang beses, derivative ng constant 0, ito ay ganun pa rin. C sub 2 e raised to x. So meron na tayong the general or the original y, the y prime and the y double prime. So ano nang gagawin natin, Sir IJ? So we have to eliminate the arbitrary constants. Ang mapapansin natin, itong C2 e raised to x, common po siya sa first, second, and third equations natin. So yung third equation, so let's say this is the third, this is the second, this is the first. So substitute natin, substitute 3 to equation 2. So we have y prime. So we are dealing with equation 2 equals c sub 1 plus c sub 2 e raised to x is equal to y double prime. Tama ba mga Lodi Cakes? And for that case, we have c sub 1 equals y prime minus y double prime. And for the first equation, so notice that in the first equation, we will have y equals c1x plus yung c2 e raised to x natin is equal to y double prime. Okay? So anong ginawa ni Sir IJ dito? Sinubstitute ko lang yung equation 3 kay equation 1. Sige, ilagay natin sa ilalim, mga Lodi Cakes. I mean, i-take note natin para kitang-kita sa solution. Substitute equation 3 to equation 1. So we have here y equals c1x plus y double prime. However, from this fourth equation na na-obtain natin, meron tayong c sub 1 equals y prime minus y double prime. So we are dealing with eliminating the arbitrary constants. So c sub 1 can be replaced with this so that we will be left with y prime, y double prime, and the dependent variable x. So what happens here, Sir IJ? So we have y equals c1 will be replaced with y prime minus y double prime. Don't forget the multiplier x plus y double prime. And then we can distribute, guys, xy prime minus xy double prime plus y double prime. Lipat sa left side, so we have xy double prime minus y prime plus xy double it must be minus. Okay, ulitin ko guys, ito nilipat ko dito. Ito nilipat ko dito, ito nilipat ko dito kaya naging minus plus yung natitirang y equals 0. Factoring out the it must be y double prime. Sorry guys, kasi ito pala yung nilipat natin. Factor out natin si y double prime, so we have x minus 1 y double prime minus xy prime plus y equals 0. So this will now be our final answer, which is letter A. So Sir IJ, kunyari hindi po ako magaling mag-eliminate ng arbitrary constants. Marunong lang po ako ng basic derivatives. What is the alternative solution for this type of problem? So you can use here reverse engineering by substituting constant values for C1 and C2. So yung C1 natin, para kung gusto nyo na eliminate yung X, pwede nyo i-assume na yung C1 equals 0. So this is reverse engineering. Assume natin yung C1 natin 0, pero yung C2 wag nyong lalagyan ng 0 kasi magiging Y equal 0 na. Most likely baka mag-satisfy yan. So gawin natin, let's say yung C2 natin is equal to 1. So kung ipapalit natin yung C1 0 dito, yung C2 is 1. So we will have Y equals E raised to X. Kasi yung C2 natin ay 1, C1 is 0, 0 times X is 0. So ito na siya. Alam natin na ang Y prime is equal to E raised to X and the Y double prime is also equal to E raised to X. Eh kunyari, malakas instinct mo, letter A yung tamang sagot, i-check mo ngayon to by substituting Y prime, Y double prime, and Y prime in the equation na you think na tamang sagot. So let's say A yung naisip mo. So X minus 1 multiplied by E raised to X minus X, E raised to X plus E raised to X equals 0. Simplify natin, X E raised to X minus E raised to X minus X E raised to X plus E raised to X is equal to 0. Cancel, 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 cancel. 0 equals 0. That means tama yung letter A natin. That is what you call as the reverse engineering or diskarte na method natin. So yun guys, sana may natutunan kayo for today's video. And I hope you all the best. Sana mas marami pa kayong matutunan sa mga past and future videos natin regarding engineering mathematics. Maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta. I hope you all the best. See you in my next math tutorial. Bye-bye and God bless.